Welcome you all. So in this video I will explain you how to draw a polygon, a regular polygon within the circle, and how to draw a polygon outside the circle. So in generally, if you draw a polygon within the circle, that is called as describe a regular polygon, and if you draw a polygon within the circle, then it is called as inscribe the circle. Right. So in the first case, we'll draw a polygon within the circle. Okay. Now, so you have to draw a circle. For that, you require either the radius or the diameter of the circle. First, you have to select the commands, that is circle. You can search in the command box, or you can directly select from this command. Okay. So here you have selected the circle. Now, from the center, you have to enter the radius. For example, the radius I have entered as 200 is the radius. Now this become the radius with 100. It means the diameter is 200. Now we want to draw a polygon within the circle. Now polygon means any object or any object which having more than two sides, that we call as a polygon. Maybe a triangular element, square, pentagonal, hexagonal, but rectangular, it's not all the sides are equal, right? So only which having the sides equal. For example, in the square you will get the all sides are equal. In a triangle also all sides we can make equal, and in pentagonal we can make all sides equal, right? So such polygons we can draw within the circle. Now let me select the polygon. So here in the first option you can check there is a rectangle. Second one is polygon. Now we will select the polygon. So here it's asking you to find the number of sides. For example, the basically it starts with 3 for a triangular element. If you enter 3, then it's asking to find the center of the polygon. So the center you have to identify for the circle first. So now we want to draw inscribe in a circle. It means within the circle the triangular we want to draw. Now enter. Now the radius of this circle, polygon radius, so it is again 200, you need to enter. Okay, then it is exactly fit within the circle, a triangular element in a inscribe the circle. Now if you try for another, for example, I will remove the circle now with the same radius 200, then I will select the polygon, then enter the number of sides are 4, then enter. Again you need to select the center, then enter inscribed in a circle, then select the center point and radius again 200 radius, then it will be fit. Okay, similarly you can go for pentagon, number of sides will be 5, enter. Center you need to select the center, then again enter 200. Okay, right, we have enter already 200, then enter. Right, you can draw for hexagonal also, same method. Again select the polygon, number of sides will be 6, enter. Center you have to identify, then select there, inscribed in a circle, then enter. The radius is 200 of that, like this. So you can make any polygon inscribed in a circle. Okay, then we'll go for describe the polygons in a circle. So it means outside the circle, right? So again you need to select the circle commands, then center of the circle, then now I will take as 250, right? The radius of the circle is 250, then select the polygons, then for example I will take now pentagon, 5 sides, enter. So specify the center, so you have to select the center, then you have to say circumscribe about the circle, this option you have to select. Now again enter the radius, so you have to enter 250, right? Now here all the corners of the circle touches the sides of the polygon. Okay, you can say. So now the polygon is described outside the circle, right? So in this way you can create for hexagonal, octagonal, square, triangular element. So anything you can create here. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and support the channel for more videos.